Hello everyone. This is a special live stream coming at you on Wednesday, usual live stream day. So hello everyone. Today we are going to have a quick live stream and it's going to be announcing the PianoTV Sight Reading Challenge winner. This has been going on with Allysia from PianoTV. Of course I would butcher that. And she is actually joining us on this call today. So I'm going to get this screen over to her real quick. Allysia, how are you?
Good. How's it going, Josh?
It's going good. Thank you for dealing with all the craziness of live stuff. But I'm really excited to have you here. I know that our viewers live and people who watch in the future after this post is done, they're going to be excited to see you. So it's really awesome to have you here. So thank you.
Yeah, no problem at all. And I wish you guys watching could see everything that Josh has been doing behind the scenes. It's really intense.
It is.
And yeah, so I should be the one thanking you for having me here.
It's awesome to have you here. And we were kind of talking about it before the feed broke last time. It's like, I've been doing this piano thing for a little bit, and I've definitely seen a couple of your videos. The hide-in video I actually watched very recently for... I was trying to grade something, see what the grade was for something I was doing for a recital. So if any of our viewers haven't seen you, even though I'm pretty sure most of people have, your material is really awesome. And it's like I said, it's an honor to have you here and to be talking with you. So thank you so much for doing this.
Thanks, I really appreciate that.
Yeah, definitely. So we're just gonna jump right in. Allysia was talking about how it's lunchtime where she is, so I just want to get on so that she can get to eating, and I've been making this live stream too long, so we're going to get on to it. Before I do it though, I just want to say we had 264 entries from people who did this. We had 50 people that were able to get a 30-day streak or longer, which is really, really stinking cool. So yeah, thank you so much for helping push this. I saw you doing it on your YouTube channel and on your Facebook, and all of you viewers watching, like, thank you so much for participating. This is really cool, and I'm excited to give away an iPad. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, me too. Well, and when you start a thing like this, you don't know if it's something that like 2 people are going to do or
yeah.
a lot more. So I'm really like kudos to those of you who participated, those of you who did like the 30-day streaks especially. I think it's super impressive.
Super impressive. It's hard to do a streak, but honestly, that's what it takes. This whole piano thing, at least in my opinion, like I feel like consistency is key. So for those of you who did it for 30 days and even for 7 days, like consistency is key. And I saw some people had like, we're at 6, like right on the cusp. Like keep it going. Like consistency really is like the iPad is the goal, we all know, but like you're learning a lot through doing this. So I hope you all keep it up and get the best practice streak ever. Anyway, I'm gonna jump into this thing. This is the PianoTV streak tracker that we have. I made, and this has everyone's name on here. So what I'm gonna basically do is just randomize this, I think 4 times. I'm gonna randomize it 4 times. So everything's nice and random. And then you'll see that this has 264 entries. So when I go over here, I have 1 to 264, and I'm just gonna literally get the winner right now. So I'm gonna stop right there. 42, who's line 42? 42, Craig B. You are the winner. Yay, exclamation points, woo! Yeah, Craig B, you are the winner. Thank you so much for your participation. Allysia, do you have any words for Craig B?
Well, I do, but first I want to comment, the person right below Craig B was just a period. So that would have been an interesting
yes, what would
that
I
would
have
been
said?
An interesting winner. Yes. Yes, the dot has won.
The dot has won.
Kudos, Craig. Craig B is much easier to say than the dot.
Yes.
I'd love to hear, like, you should send me an email, just at like ally.pianotv@gmail. I'd love to hear like your story, a little bit of that. It's just always interesting to me to know who's winning and stuff like that. So
cool. There you go, Craig. Allysia, I will get you the email, and I will also probably send an email to Craig just saying, hey, you won, you're awesome, and I'll copy you in it and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I think this is pretty much the live stream, unless you have anything else you'd like to say.
No, just kudos again to everyone else who participated. For those of you who did 7, 14, and 30-day streaks, I think it's awesome. And don't let this be the point where you stop practicing, right? It's like, oh, I made it to 30, now I don't have to sight read ever again. Keep it going, because like Josh was saying, that's how you're gonna really see some improvements. And hopefully from this experience, you've already started to experience a little bit of those improvements. So
Yes,
keep it up, guys.
definitely. And Allysia has a lot of, she's definitely talked about sight reading on her YouTube channel, so be sure to check that out, those videos. If you'd like to, I'm not trying to push it too hard, but I have made a couple videos recently talking about it. There's ways to do it in Piano Marvel. There's a total slew of ways to increase your sight reading in piano all out there. So definitely use all the resources that you can. And again, thank you everyone for your participation. It was so awesome to do this. And again, Allysia, thank you so much for being here. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for having me. See you guys.
All right, see you everyone.